Here we have Sadie, who just took off her mittens and threw them on the ground.
So are you doing a movie?
Uh-huh. Sadie, do you like camping?
Look, some wild animal broke into our bear box. Okay, actually I left it open. And took the Carmelitos with its teeth, carried them away to a tree, and ate many of them. Arr! 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 Oh, little monkeys!
And here's James. What are you doing, James? What are we making for breakfast?
Oatmeal.
Do you like oatmeal?
Yeah.
What do you like to put in your oatmeal?
I want to put anything in.
Okay. What is your favorite part about camping?
I like making oatmeal. That's my favorite.
You like making oatmeal? That is a good part.